To reactivate your closed Pluxee account, 1. Open the Pluxee app, formerly Sodexo, or visit the official Pluxee website on your browser. 2. Try to log in using your old registered mobile number or email address. 3. If your account is closed or deactivated, you will see a message like account inactive or account closed. 4. Tap reactivate account if the option appears or go to help and support in the app. 5. If the reactivation option isn't available, send an email to help@pluxee.com with your full name, registered mobile number, email, a short note requesting account reactivation. 6. Attach a valid ID proof if requested for verification. 7. The Pluxee support team will review your request and confirm reactivation once your details are verified. 8. You'll get a confirmation email or SMS, and your account will be restored within 24 to 48 hours. 9. After reactivation, log into the app, check your card status, and relink your Pluxee card if needed.